It's Sunday morning and there is a giant space in my garage. The Trans Am is no longer, man, this is tough to say because I really love that car, but I had to let it go. I really hope you guys enjoyed the process on that car, even though it was short-lived, but I had some priorities to take care of, and that's the way it goes. But our next project is gonna be even more fun than this one, so stay tuned. Welcome back to another episode of Dad's Garage, and today is a special day because we are on the journey to Virginia to get our next project. Yes, Sunday was a sad day for me because I said goodbye to the Trans Am, and after a lot of love went into that car and labor, of course, it came out looking fantastic. I'll show you some pictures. I didn't have a chance to video and do a walk around, but man, it went to a great family, nice couple. It was for the wife, and she just was ecstatic about the car. They bought it as soon as they saw it. They were the first people to come see it. I am super excited for them because I know it's gonna bring them a lot of joy like it did me, and even more for years to come. And now today, we're on our way to Virginia, so stick around. I just made a quick pit stop just to have a snack before I continue on. It's a 5-hour drive. I got home late last night. It's early in the morning right now. I'm getting ready to return the U-Haul truck, and I've been really impressed with this new Silverado on how it towed last night. And even with a trailer back there, I barely felt the car on there. 8-cylinder or 6-cylinder? Let's find out.
All right, moment of the truth. Let's see.
I just knew it. It had to be an 8-cylinder, man. This thing handled amazing. I don't know. I think I found the next truck. Who knows? The new Chevy Silverado. That thing had like 5,000 miles when I picked it up yesterday. I put about 600 on it, and it handled like a champ. Well, on to the next thing. Trans Am is right there. I wanted to take you through a quick tour of what needs to be done here and what we have to work with. So,